Hey DIY friends, ever wondered if you could turn sunlight into safe drinking water? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own solar still, a simple device that uses the power of the sun to purify water using condensation. It's easy, it's science, and it could be a real lifesaver. So let's get right into it. Here's what you'll need: a large bowl, a smaller cup or container, some plastic wrap, a small rock, and of course some dirty or salty water. First, place the bowl on a flat surface in direct sunlight. Pour your dirty water into the bowl, but not so much that it overflows when you add the cup. Place the small cup right in the center of the bowl. Make sure the rim stays above water level. Now, take your plastic wrap and stretch it tightly over the top of the bowl, sealing the edges nice and snug. Here's the trick. Put a small rock right in the center of the plastic wrap, directly above the cup. This creates a low point, so when condensation forms, the purified water will drip down into your cup. Let's talk science for a second. As the sun heats up the dirty water, it evaporates. The water vapor rises, hits the plastic wrap, cools down, and turns back into liquid, leaving all the junk behind. Those clean water droplets collect on the underside of the plastic and drip straight into your cup. Nature's own filter. Pretty cool, right? Depending on sunlight, you could get a few ounces in a day, enough to sip or keep you going in an emergency. If you want to boost output, try using a larger bowl, make more stills, or line the inside of the bowl with green leaves for a bit of extra moisture. But remember, this method won't remove chemical pollutants or heavy metals, so be smart about your water source. Once you've got your purified water, carefully remove the cup. Avoid mixing it with the leftover dirty water. And enjoy your sun-powered success. Just imagine you, the sun, and a bowl turning questionable water into something you can actually drink. So next time you're camping, prepping for an emergency, or just want to try some backyard science, give the solar still a go. If you learned something new, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY hacks. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep building.